Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back. It's your girl Chida Ben. I'm a faith and lifestyle content creator. So today I'm filming a make a product with me, and today I'm making a face cream. So this face cream is for personal use because I have run out of face cream. I need a refill, so I'm trying to make some for home use and all that. So guys, let's just quickly get into it. All right, so if you know this is something you want to watch, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Okay, welcome back. So I'm going to show you guys some of the things I'll be using. Okay, so here I have sanitized my container, my hand mixer. So we are in the hot oil phase. So this is the water and the oil. They have both been melted. I'm supposed to start blending right now. I have my vitamin E oil, my tea tree oil, my essential oils. I have my azelaic acid, vitamin B3, tranexamic acid, and propylene glycol, my preservative. So I'm starting off by mixing my hot water phase, which is a mixture of my melted oils and waxes and any active ingredient that needs to be melted, mixing it with my hot water phase, that's my heated water. So when you mix them together, of course you use the blender to blend it together till it gives you a certain consistency, then you allow it to cool off. Next, I'm going to mix my powdered active ingredients. These are the ingredients that are going to aid fighting acne, ingredients that are going to clear spots, blemishes, hyperpigmentation. So what I'm going to do is just take their measurements, mix them in my glass jar with water, rose water, propylene glycol, whatever liquid that I need to melt them with. I'm going to just melt them and set aside. Okay, so now you can see the consistency. You can see it has become very thick. So I'm going to start adding my active ingredients. So I have here my active ingredients for acne, for spots removal, and so on and so forth. So that is going in. At this stage now, it's no longer hot. Okay, so you make sure that your hot water stage is no longer hot so that it will not destroy the products, the ingredients rather. Things are expensive also. I like to rinse my this thing very well. Everything will enter. That's part of it. Everything should enter there. So I'm going in with my aloe vera. This one is fresh aloe vera, but it's not enough. I have this one that I got from my supplier. I'm going to add. I really love adding aloe vera to my products because of the benefits to the skin. I use it for almost all my products. I'm going to add that. Just one. So let's. Guys, you can see our product is forming. I'm going to blend it some more. I'm just trying to make the video not to be too long. So now I'm going in with my essential oils, and so this has this tea tree oil, my go-to. Never make any of my acne products without tea tree oil. I don't put in my body butter, of course, but any of my face products, vitamin C serum, everything has tea tree oil. So I'm going to go in with 10 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 13, 14, 15. So I went in with 15 drops of these tea tree essential oils. So this is rosehip oil. So I'm going in with just 5 ml of it. It's 5 ml, yeah. Essential oils are very good for the skin as well. You want to add very little.
A little goes a long way. Going in with, this is saffron oil. Saffron is also very great for oily skin. Has many great benefits, both lightening, anti-blemish, and so on. Okay, going in with both 5 ml of both oils. Alright guys, welcome back. So I had to do a lot of things off camera so that the video will not be long. One, then two, I don't really have much memory now, but I'm sure you got a hang of what I was doing. So right now I'm done. I don't know if you can see it. It's I noticed it's not as thick as I want it to, so I'm going to pour it into a lotion container. Okay, that's what's going to happen. So I'm using this container. This is a 250 ml container. I've sanitized it. You want to sanitize it to avoid molds and bacteria growing in your product. Oh, Jesus Christ, so you don't understand I'm doing a video. Then adding this one here. So usually it's meant to be thicker than this, but I guess I got my measurements wrong. So I'm going to give this to my girl. We are both acne. We both have acne prone skin. So I had to do my test strip. Because of the camera and the light, you really can't see it very well. So this one was around 6.0, but I had to increase the acidity to, or reduce. Yeah, I had to reduce it to 5 so that it's going to be very normal and mild. So yeah, so I still have some left. I'm going to look for another container to turn it into. I prefer to use this because I want to also check if it's going to discolor and how long it's going to take to discolor. If it will, I didn't add any coloring, so let's test it out. I'm not going to apply it straight to my face, guys. So I'm going to be putting it on my skin, very little. You can see how it quickly absorbs into the skin, very smooth and silky. So if I'm to name this product, I'm going to call it a moisturizing, anti-blemish and anti-acne face cream, because it has ingredients that aid skin hydration, high moisture content. It has anti-acne product ingredients, and it also has anti-blemish ingredients that will help clear even tones, help clear discolorations, hyperpigmentations, and all that, so that you can have an even toned facial skin, not brightening. The goal of this product is not to brighten you or make your face lighter than the rest of your body, make your face lighter than your hands and stuff like that. No, we don't like that in Anti by Dalo. We like to have an even toned skin. As you can see, the skin is blended. So that is the goal of this one. It's going to give you, if you're treating acne or you have just oily skin, even without the acne, this product is going to be good for you. Even if you have dry skin, because it doesn't have, jojoba oil is an oil that is very good for all skin types. There are no harsh acids. The only acid here is glycolic acid, which I use at a very low percentage to reduce the acidity of the product. So it's in a very low percentage, maybe like 1% or 2% of glycolic acid, which is mild and very okay for sensitive skin. So this product is actually great, or best for acne prone skin, guys. So that will be all for my video. So this is my product. This is what it looks like 1 week later. Over 1 week, we've been using it now, at least 2 weeks. It has not discolored. It has not. It's now thick. See, it's not. It's actually turned out to be better than I anticipated. It's still very good. You can see the consistency. That's why I'm using this lotion container. But it's very good. It's very good. It's very, very high moisture content. So it's going to be a very good moisturizer for the face. So guys, I'll show you guys in the next couple of months. Watch out for my face in my videos and tell me what you think about the products and all that. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions concerning making products, drop it in the comment section. If you would like to order any of our products, we have Anti by Dalo body butter, we have face cream, we have a face kit actually. So whatever you need or you have questions, drop it in the comment section. But if you want to order our products, you can check our Instagram page for our WhatsApp link, or you can send us a DM to order any of our products. This product is made for home use, but if we get orders, definitely I'm going to produce for my clients. So if you want to take a look at my face, I've been using my products, you can see. So you can watch my other videos on my skincare routine to see how I use my products in my videos and all that. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm grateful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that, please. Support your girl, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, it's your girl Winifred Ben. See you.